Here's the 4 Hickory projects that I've been working on. This is going to be a plant stand. The only thing left is to add some walnut plugs and some final sanding. And over here, we've got 2 end tables. This first one has a drawer on it, full extension slides, solid hickory. This second one is going to also have a glass top. Has some walnut splines in the corners. Then this here is just a small 2-person dining table to match everything. Walnut splines on all of them, tapered legs. I'll get another update once they're finished. Here are the 4 Hickory projects all completed. There's a Minwax semi-gloss polyurethane on these, and here's the bedside table with the drawer in it. The plant stand, the walnut plugs turned out good to just give a little bit of contrast, and then they match those walnut splines in all the projects. The little end table, small dining table. Then this is all just wall paneling to give a little bit of an accent wall in this living room. The customer really likes the contrast of the hickory and the knots and imperfections. So this is all just mill run hickory, a combination of anywhere from 1 common to rustic. So really gives a good look. Came out really good. I'm happy with them all.